Guys, this is Jemima and welcome back to another video. Today we are playing Rocitizens and this time we are playing a calmer version. We're not robbing anything. We are playing like a normal citizen in Roblox and I'm going to give you a day in my life kind of a vlog in game though. So this is my Palms residency. If I have not shown this before, I have done a tour of this house before. But if you haven't seen that, if you're a new subscriber, this is my kitchen, this is my hall, this is the small front outside area, and then I made this fake wall over here, and then you go to the bedroom. These are the only two rooms that I use most frequently, and this area also has an outside bigger area for chilling in whatever you want to do, and it has a view of the entire beach with all the palm trees that are covered in snow right now because it's winter. But right now it's 11:35 and we need to sleep because I have to go to work tomorrow. Typical day in the life vlog in game. So first we turn off the lights so that I can sleep in peace, and we also need to close the blinds so that there's no outside interference or light or anything that's disturbing my sleep. Now that everything is closed, we can sleep and I'll see you in the morning. Okay, so it's 2:50, which is like 10 minutes away from before I wake up and start with my day in game. So we wait for 3 o'clock to become, and then now we turn on the lights ritualistically and turn on the lights and open the blinds so that the sun can shine through. And I need to change my clothes. I cannot go in with dirty clothes, and it's winter season right now, so oops, wrong place. I did not mean to open my inventory. I open my wardrobe and then we go through everything. I like the skirt that I'm wearing. I think I really changed the top, but it's winter, so okay, this seems fine. Alright, so we're done, we're ready, and now we have to go and get started with our day. So I work at a spaghetti place where I'm a server. But before my day starts at the spaghetti place, I have a few other things that I do. Just one singular thing. Why is the door not closing? Finally. Flip the switch, main switch, all the lights are off, and off we go to start our day. So firstly, we need to be healthy, we need to be strong, we need to be whatever. So we go to the gym. And since I just had my day, let's spawn in my car. I don't think it's spawned already. And this is my grand collection of cars that I have customized to look black and white, except for the red, which is Christmas one. But let's go in my Camellia. It came with the new Barbie update and I just colored it black because it looked more cool and more vintage. Anyways, let's go to the gym in our Camellia. Very great we are. The gym is not too far away. It's just right in front of your fitness world. And we go gymming there to be healthy and whatnot, and I'm a very strong person, as you will see in a few minutes. Let's park the car because they don't have a parking lot, and let's go and work out because we need to be strong and healthy. I do not do this in real life. This is just in-game nonsense that I do, how I role play every day on a daily basis. So we start with some stretchies to stretch our muscles and stretch everything, and then we move on to did not mean to open that. And then we move on to other things. This is just a sped up version of what I normally do in the gym. It takes too long. I'm lifting weights. I'm a pro lifter, so strong. I lift weights and weights and weights. Look at my fitness level 7. And the sun is rising. See, I told you the sun rises at 6 o'clock. It's still dark outside. It was still dark outside when we woke up. But look at me lift weights. Pro lifter. And I do pull-ups. Looks so amazing in my winter clothes, not even in gym clothes. I'm so strong. Great person. Anyways, we're almost done with our gym session. We finish at almost nearly 7 o'clock in the morning. And let's carry on with the rest of our day. Then I'm done with my workout. Open the map because it's safe to look at the map and drive. And we shall go to the bank first because I have to check on my investments, and because I'm a very wise person, I invest so that I can double and triple and quadruple my money. So that I'm rich. As you can see in the top right, I have 1 lakh rupees on me. I'm so rich. Anyways, let's go to the bank We're not robbing anything this time. And I need to manage my investments. Yes, see, I'm a rich person. I have earned 2,500 from the bank investments itself. Oh no, there's a police over here. I sat in the wrong seat. Let's drive. Why is he standing in my car? Should I drive with him? Yes, come with me to work. Work with me at a spaghetti. Why is he sitting in my car? This is weird. I'm innocent. I didn't do anything. This is weird. Get out. Yes. Oh. Why is he aiming his gun at me? I didn't do anything. I'm innocent. Yes, thank you for hearing me. Off I go to the spaghetti place to show you my being a server and serving spaghetti and whatnot to different people. It's not too far away, it's just around the corner, just a few turns. And we will reach Spaghetti's, which is owned by Don Spaghetti in game. He's a very nice guy providing jobs for people who require jobs. And I shall park my car in their parking lot and occupy 2 parking spaces because nobody else needs to work with me. I just need to be myself. Full concentration, great mood. Anyways, let's go in. Hi, Alfredo. Let's go and be a server. I'll show you the basics of what I do and then we'll get on with the rest of the day. So basically I become a server. I wait for people to come in, walk in the place. I don't know, it's 10 o'clock in the morning. Who would come to eat spaghetti? But oh, someone's come. 2 best friends, they come to have brunch. I don't know. They come to eat spaghetti in the morning. So I take their order. They want meatball spaghettis. So let's go here and wait for the spaghettis. The spaghettis are done. Let me take the spaghettis and go and serve it to them because they're hungry. They had to wait half an hour in game for the spaghettis to become. I serve it to them and then I wait for them to finish eating and then I can collect my money. And I repeat this until my shift is over at somewhere in the night. I just wait for my job to get, if you can see the top right, the number over there is 86 so far. I wait for it to reach a whole number like a 5 or a 0 because it makes me feel nice that way. But I basically do this all along and it's easy way, faster way of earning money as well. Robbing also is the same speed, by the way, as long as you don't get caught. And so I repeat this entire process and let's move over to the night. I shall get done with my shift. So it's 8:45, nearly 9 o'clock, and I'm serving my last set of customers. There's 4 of them and they've come for coffee and tea and stuff at night. I should just quietly give this to them. I will be done and then we can go home and rest. Okay, so I take their money and my shift is done. As you can see, I finished at 95, so I think I served 10 people today. Good job, I'm proud of myself. Hop in my Camellia, switch on the lights, confirm my shift, and I got 700 today. Good job. Open my maps and let's head back home. Home sweet home after a very, very tiring day over here. Let's go. No one's on the roads. Let's take inside roads and we shall almost be done with our day. It's 10 o'clock. I've left work at. I enjoyed my day of work thoroughly. Now I need to park my car in the parking area because I had not spawned my car in first. And so I just turn it around here and another turn and we shall park inside here. Palms does not have a parking lot for some reason. Let's park here, switch off the car lights and hop out of the car and let's go back home. But to run home, they should make a parking lot, so that you could park your car and it's people from the farms and not any other person working in the hospital or something. No one else has seemed to have taken our place. I've also worked other jobs. If you can see, I have 250, 160 and stuff experience. Oh, someone else stays below me. Nice. I have a neighbor, kind of. Anyways, I'm in the house. I need to flip my switch on. It's kind of dark. Flip switch. Now I'm safe at home. Feels nice. I need to sit down. Do I need to sit down? No. I shall grab a burger because I can, and I'm hungry and I'm starving and I need to eat. But this is me eating a burger. And that's the day, that's my day, that's what happens all along in Roblox. If you guys did enjoy the video, definitely leave a like, subscribe, and definitely comment for what video suggestions. If you did enjoy this video, do leave a like, and I will see you guys next time with another video. Bye.